Today's hack is free tools. One of the greatest things that I've ever done in my career is made what I call a website grader. People came to our website, entered their domain name, and they were getting an instant grade of their website. Everything from title tag, meta descriptions, competitors, any ad data that I was able to get from SEM Rush and other tools, we put it on a result page and gave it to our agency owner. They were like, wow, there's so much information about what I have on my site that I didn't even know about. Things like their title tag's too short, or that they don't have any backlinks, or they don't have any local listings. We put so much information on this free tool. It was amazing. So what you could do today is figure out what can you give to your audience that's coming to your website, but maybe they're not ready to enter in their information yet or ready to buy. What you can do with this tool is have them give you their first name, their last name, their email address, their domain name. What you're doing is increasing the size of your list. So next time you send an email blast, they're gonna be able to get it. So figure out what free tool can you create to generate more buzz, more interest on your website. You're probably getting thousands of people, if not hundreds of people, come to your website and not convert, and they're just leaving, right? They're never gonna come back. But if you create a free tool, something that's enticing, they're gonna stick around, see what it's got, and see if it's something cool that they could use for their marketing. Go ahead and think about what you could do today to get more traffic turned into leads for your business. This is what we do here at ClickX. Every single day, we consult, we give strategies to agency owners just like yourself, from strategies on generating leads, closing deals, all the way to fulfillment. If you're wondering what ClickX does for agency owners, go ahead and schedule a call with one of our consultants and find out if ClickX can help you scale your agency. But what I want you to do today is figure out what amazing tool can you create to engage more of the audience that you have on your website to turn cold traffic into warm leads, hopefully customers next week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.